problem statement is happy numbers. So for instance, 19 is a happy number if 1 square plus 9 square is equal to 82. So follow the same rule, 8 square plus 2 square is 68. It will continue and finally until 1, and if finally we will reach 1, so we have to go until it is a 1 digit number, and if that 1 digit number is 1, then it is a happy number. So I'll be writing that code here. I'll convert it to a string first. Okay, string number equal to, for all the characters in the number from left to right, I'll do some calculation. For int I equal to 0, I less than number length I plus plus. I'll read the character first, char c, or I'll do like this, int num equal to number dot char at I minus 0. This will convert the number to a integer. I'll take a long variable called result, okay, equal to 0. Now result plus equal to num into num. Okay, for each value I am doing a square, okay, and calculating the result. Finally, after this for loop, I will have a number. For example, for 19 I will have a number like this, 82. Now I have to continue doing this operation again and again until I find a 1 digit number. Okay, so that's the idea. So while, so result by 10 equal to 0. So this will tell me if I see a 1 digit number. Okay, fine, we will take this line inside our while loop. Okay, fine. So each time we see a number, that number will be transformed into a string. Okay, so instead of n, now I write result. Okay, fine, and now this result I will initialize with n. Okay, now this is okay, this looks good. Finally, after this while loop, I'll check if result by 10 equal to 0, then it is a 1 digit number. But what was the result? So result value we have to check. If result equal to 1, then we'll return true, otherwise it is false, right? Fine. So let's do this check again for 19. Okay, result is 19. 19 by 10 is 1. Okay, this is, we started with 19. Okay, so result by 10 is 1. So while not equal to, this should be not equal to 0. Okay, so 19 by 10 is 1. Number is what? Number is 19 in string. Okay, so let's write it like this. Now for the two characters, I'm converting it to 1. First, result is 1 square, so 1 plus, this is 1. Okay, 1 plus, now again for the second character, this is 9 and 1 plus 81, so result is now 82. Okay, and 82 by 10 is 8. Now again convert the result to string, which becomes 82. Now for 8, this will be, first letter is 8, first number is 8, so this becomes already 82. Okay, yeah, but this is wrong, so we have to set this result to result is 82. After this 82 is set, I will make this to 0. Okay, reset to 0 here. 8 square is 64 plus 64, this is next value is 2. This is 2 and 2 square is 4, so this is 68. Go up. 68 by 10 is 6, okay, which is not equal to 0. So now this will be 68. Okay, fine. 68. Now first value is 6. 636, and now go up to the for loop, and 8 is there. Yeah, so 8, this will be 8, and this will be 36 plus 64, which is 100, and 100. Finally for loop is over. Again go up, this will be 10. Okay, good. Now result is now 100. Okay, so result set to 0. Now we have the number in 100, so this will be 1, this will be 1 plus. Now again another value is 0, this will be 0, another value is 0, and this will be 0. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. Now go up. 1 by 10 is 0. Okay, now we found 0. Come out. Finally we'll see result is 1. If it is 1, it is a happy number dot length. So this should be a method. This looks good to me, guys. Let's see. Cool, awesome, good. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.